Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Wise app not working in 2026. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 10 ways you can fix it. If you go through all 10, it should go ahead and work for you. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Wise needs a stable internet connection to work properly, so switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data, or even restart your router if using a Wi-Fi. The second thing you want to do is check Wise server status. Go to status.wise.com and check if there are any maintenance going on. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and update the Wise app. Go to Google Play or App Store and simply go ahead and update it. And if that is not the case, you might need to clear cache if you're on an Android. The best way to go ahead and solve it is going to be by restarting your device, either you're on Android or iOS. The other thing you might not know is that you want to check date and time settings and set it to automatically, because it does interfere with it sometimes. If that is not the case, you might need to log out and log back in. Check for restrictions like network or different network, VPN, and so on. And if none of it works, try reinstalling the app.